opportunity, a high-yield investment. Build your dream home on this title block in Clyde North without compromising on first-class amenities. You're close to 𝗟𝗏𝗧 Shopping Centre, Clyde North Lifestyle Centre, 𝗬𝗍 Fairs and 𝗬𝗍 Race Swimming, and only minutes from the Monash Freeway. Nearby schools include Weerawarna Primary, Clyde Primary, Ramley Park Primary, St. Peter's College and Cranbourne Secondary College. Major retailers like Bunnings, Aldi, cafes and a variety of shopping are also within walking distance. Create a brighter future for your family in a community that's setting a fresh benchmark for convenient living. So this title block is 348 square meters approximately. Give me a call, 048-0101-966 is my number. I'm Weerawarna from 𝗬𝗆 Real Estate.